This bit fire. I can't lie to you. Brembo is in the front, right there. And as you see, we got the track hub Brembos in the back. Yep, that's the actual. See how these actually line up? You see what I'm saying? That's why it did not fit. So what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, and as y'all boys seen earlier, you feel me? We had the Brembos off, and my bad, y'all. I had the Brembos on wrong, bro. The little black cap wasn't at the top, but I had to switch them around. But now the black cap actually is at the top, and this thing runs perfect, my guy. I already tested out the brakes or whatnot on both sides. I have them completed. I already tested them out. I bled the brakes and everything. Everything working fine. Everything working good. And when I bled the brakes, I had to redo the front ones as well. So I just redid the front ones. I bled the front one. Well, I bled the back ones first, and then I bled the front ones. You know how you supposed to. But it came out perfect. It looks amazing, bro. I'm gonna make a video a little bit later to get y'all a better video of how everything look. But I ain't gonna lie, we sitting nice now, bro. We getting it together now. My bad. I wanted to show y'all the difference. So this is the actual rear brake, the stock caliper, as you can see. This is the stock one. And come on now. And you see the holes right here. I'm about to show you. The holes right here compared to the Brembo bolts. See how these actually line up. See how they similar. Literally, you can tell they really the same size as the OEM brake calipers. But now, as you can see, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this pair. And when you look at this Brembo set, compared to this one. Now you can see that the red one is a little bit longer. You see what I'm saying? You can see that the red one is longer, bro. Which is why it didn't fit. You see what I'm saying? That's why it did not fit, bro. And it's a different shape, as you can see. So if you want to transform your Jeep to Brembo brake calipers, these are the Brembo brake calipers you'll need. They got a smaller spacing between the two bolts. But I'm about to put on the rest of the calipers. I'll catch up with y'all a little bit later, bro. Peace. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, and you see we back with another video, man. But I told y'all boys I was gonna put the Brembo brakes on the Jeep, bro, on both sides, the front and the rear, bro. So as you see, we got Brembos in the front right there, and as you see, we got the track hub Brembos in the back. You feel me? Yep, that's the actual 2021 track hub Brembos. And I ain't gonna lie, the yellow and red scheme, I'm not really feeling it right now. But I'm gonna wind up changing the color scheme, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna wind up changing the color scheme. But for now, I think y'all gonna be worried about my next mods that I got coming, bro. Cause my next two mods gonna be crazy, bro. So for one, I'm lowering the Jeep, bro. I'm tired of seeing all this space in between. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some lowering springs. I'm gonna lower the Jeep, bro. And I got something else on the way. What I'm gonna do is, bro, I'm gonna get a track hawk cluster and swap my cluster, bro. So that video is definitely gonna go crazy. I just want to show y'all boys how this thing looking. I ain't gonna lie, it's looking real nice, bro. Like, this been fire, bro. I can't lie to you. I'ma just get some rails or whatnot with it. And you know, just do what I do, you feel me? But boys tapping, man, because I ain't gonna lie, a lot of people from my city, they be having cars, but don't be popping out. Like, we could have our little meetups and stuff, and we could just chill, get content. Cause I ain't gonna lie, they don't really have nobody doing content like that. So like, if you doing content, bro, and you want to link together and stuff and get content, bro, just hit me up, bro. And I'ma pull up, you feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, your boy be busy sometimes, so I ain't gonna be able to pull up all the time, gang. But y'all already know how life is, bro. You gotta keep it peace sometimes. You got time, save some time for your people, save your time for everything, you feel me? But I just wanted y'all boys to see, man. And I'm gonna show y'all one more time. In the front, bro, we got the actual full Brembo calipers and the rotors. And in the back, that boy got the side wheels. And in the back, you see we got the Trackhawk Brembos in the back. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, I just was showing y'all boys how it look. I'm gonna probably get a few more reels, and then I'm gonna probably wind up leaving. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all a little later. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. We out.
Bro, them trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say like bitch Caprendo. She know I'm tryna fuck her, I don't play no games, this ain't Nintendo. Nigga, I ain't GCM, but shit get cheese, that be the motto. Got ball heads in the clip, had to tell the cheese, go get some hollow. Stop flexing